this is about halfway through the first print on this new printer. I'm going to probably run a couple more off, but as you can see, hopefully, the default settings are really close. I think I might need to change the infill speed just a little bit, because it's not fusing as completely as I would prefer. But it seems like the pressure advance is okay. I'm not seeing bulging on the corners, and they're not undercutting themselves, so that looks good. And I will have to do a little bit of adjustment on the Z height. I think I need to bring the nozzle up about 1/10 of a mil. Just because the initial layer was really squished. So I'm going to let this finish up, mark it as first print, and then make a couple adjustments, printer again, and we shall go from there. I'll bring you back when we get about halfway through the second one. Alrighty, here we are with, that is the fourth, should be successful print. Do have a little bit of filament floating around in there. But this is one of the test prints for the Voron V2, though you don't actually use it anymore. This is the threaded test print. So the piece in the back it is printing is a nut, and the piece it is printing in the front is a threaded screw. And if the two go together and mesh correctly, then your printer is properly calibrated for printing the Voron. I'll show you these when they're done. Alrighty, we are now on to printing the 2.4 parts. This is the left idler assembly top and bottom. And this, so we are printing quite nicely by the looks of it. Now here's everything we printed so far with the V0 here. We've got the first print, second print. There's a couple prints that haven't because they failed miserably. That's a tuning issue, and that's my fault, not anyone else's. Tuning print with the thread test, that works quite well. Got the two alignment rails, or the two alignment tools for the rails for 2.4. The front idler, the 5-volt power supply, the Z-stop, the Pi mount, 3 of the 4 Z idlers, because one of those failed. But we've got quite the collection of parts going, and I'm very happy with the quality. The version, the Voron 2.4 parts are being printed in Amazon Basics, ABS, the black anyways, and I am quite happy with how it prints. And there's a little bit of zitting, but not much. So,
thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel, and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.